today's video, I'm sharing an easy skincare routine you need to soothe irritation, clear your skin, and bring out that natural glow quickly and effectively. Start with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of milk. Then, 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Mix everything well until smooth. One calm, hydrated, and glowing skin. This simple yet powerful DIY blend of milk, aloe vera, and grapeseed oil work as soothing and nourishing skin treatment your skin will love. Milk gently brightens and softens your skin, helping to improve dullness and even tone. Aloe vera deeply hydrates while calming irritation, making your skin feeling fresh and softened. And grapeseed oil, it's lock in moisture, supports skin repair, and helps smooth out fine lines and healthier glow. Together, this trio help fight dryness, reduce acne, and even out skin tone, leaving your skin soft, brighter, and naturally radiant. Use it as a calming face mask for a daily skin boost and watch your glow transform.